Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix couldn't load high resolution image on Messenger. So guys, let's get started without wasting your precious time. So guys, if you try to send the high resolution picture like HD pictures to anybody, if his device is not supported or your device is not supported to HD, maybe that's why it's not working for you. Okay guys, so guys, if your device is not supported for HD, then what you have to do guys, just simply have to go back from here. Now guys, if you want to send the picture to other person, just simply have to go to InShot, and from here guys, what you have to do is just simply have to tap on photo, and from here guys, just simply have to select the photo. And after selecting the photo guys, what you have to do guys, just simply have to go to save icon, and after that guys, you have to save the photo with less quality and then send it on the Messenger. And after that guys, hopefully your problem will be fixed. And if your problem is not fixed guys, then what you have to do guys, just simply have to open the Messenger and just simply have to tap on three lines and tap on settings. From here guys, what you have to do is just simply have to scroll it down. Now from here guys, what you have to do is just simply have to go to help section, and from here guys, what you have to do is just simply have to wait some seconds again and just simply have to search for media. So let me search for the media guys. When you search for media guys, tap on that. From here guys, what you have to do is just simply have to scroll it down. You can easily see here guys, send photo, sticker and files on Messenger. Tap on that. Now from here guys, scroll it down a bit, and from here guys, what you have to do is just simply have to tap on no, and from here guys, what you have to do is just simply have to tap on other hand. Here you have to write that hello Messenger team, I want to send the pictures to someone, or I want to load or download the pictures. It's not working for me, so please fix my issue as soon as possible. So just simply have to send the request to the Messenger team, and hopefully they will resolve your issue as soon as possible. So that's pretty much for today's video. If that is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.